Hello, I am Masum from Team Pikachu, and now I am going to showcase our project called Trust Issue, which we made for the hackathon Diversion 2026. So, it is not an extension or not a web app. The web app is just used to visualize the results, and the extension is just for the simplicity purpose or for more intuitive use case. Our main analysis or the main work of our tool is purely based on rules which is made using Node.js. So this is how it works. So who this is made for? This is made for regular developers, special web developers who develop web applications in their daily life. And in every web application, there must be some security. I can say, their web application should not have any security flaws which can compromise the user's data or anything in the website. So to fix this issue, developers have mainly one reliable options, which is using tools like Burp or Zap, and those are very cybersecurity focused tools. Even to understand the outputs of those websites, you have to have some knowledge of cybersecurity, even if it's a little bit. And those tend to have a very manual setting up process. So what we have built is a fully automated thing which developers can use their daily life. So how we are doing it? We are using a process called crawling. What crawling does is, suppose there is a website called masum.me, and the masum.me is not the only website. The website might have several other endpoints like masum.me/home /about, and many of them can have several other flows, right? So how we are doing it? We use the crawling system to identify all those endpoints, and by using a open source tool called Playwright, which is made by Microsoft, we use the tool to automate the whole process to hitting all endpoints, going to all endpoints and finding issues. So I will show you the demo. I can. I am first using my portfolio. This is my portfolio. You can click on the extension. We have built a separate extension window to just that you don't have to go into separate website. So after clicking on scan current page, you will see another tab will open, and here all endpoints will be hit automatically. I am not touching my mouse. You can see all the progress on the right side and the navigation on this page as well. And for this all this navigation and all this AI analysis, I mean not AI analysis, we are not using any AI here. Okay, this is purely rule based. The only place we are using AI is, I will show you that shortly after the report gets generated. The main analysis has been done. Now the AI things is getting done. So after clicking on view report, now I will show you why the AI is used. So you can see we have got total 30 issues, and we have gone through total 5 pages, of which 5 are high, 10 are medium, and 10 are low. Okay, so let's go through high issues. So you can see there are only CSP header issues which we got all the on all the endpoints, like the basic one, then about, experience, project, Facebook. Okay, so after clicking on any of that, suppose I went to this is where we are using AI to generate the description and the what is the risk. Like our rule gives us the issue, but we need AI to make users understand. I mean, make developers understand what is the issue. And this is a part where developers can copy the prompt directly from here, and they can paste it to Cursor or GitHub Copilot or any agentic tool that they use, and those agents will fix the issue for you. Okay, so this is the showcase of our tool in my portfolio. If I want to show you in any other website, so this is the website I got from GitHub. This is a intentionally made vulnerable website to test this kind of tools. So if I test here, you can say I will scan current page, and here another page opened. You can see that it is not secure. It is showing it doesn't even have HTTP actually. See, the crawling is going on. It gone into categories.php. It is literally a PHP website. Or the artist page. Okay, so all these things will happen here. You can see no AI has been used till now because we are still crawling. Whenever AI will be getting used, you will see AI in the left side. It might take a long time because this website has a lot of endpoints. You can see categories, artist, disclaimer, and errors of sub endpoints on the sidebar as well. Okay, I will wait for that to finish. In the meantime, the only issue we aren't being able to fix is SQL injection, because see, we are not trying to replace streamline tools, okay, like as I mentioned before, which is Zap or Burp, because those are industry standard tools. Cybersecurity experts use those. If we try to build something like SQL injection, that will make those tools, that will not be as beneficial as the other detections, because and that will not be accurate as well, because those tools people are using for many years, and those are very polished, you can say. Up to this point, we have found three critical issues. You can see in the bottom corner. Still crawling is going on. And here, okay, another feature I forgot to mention is, suppose there are any kind of forms in any website. So to understand those vulnerabilities which may hide behind those forms, or the submission of those forms, like CSRF issues, so someone must have to submit those forms, otherwise you won't be able to detect those issues. So by using our tool, demo requests or the demo details will be submitted via that form automatically using Playwright, as I mentioned earlier. Playwright, which is made by Microsoft and open source tool. Then the CSR detection will go on if there are any. Okay. Still crawling is going on. Okay, analysis is finished. Now AI will give you the explanations of the issues that it got. Okay, so you can see there are lots of issues. 91 high, 4 critical, 97 medium, 125 low. We'll look those in detail. As there are lots of issues, so AI is taking a long time. Also, we have rate limited by 7 API keys through Gemini. My one account got blocked by Google literally. They are saying we are doing some suspicious activity, so I'm not being able to use one Google account completely, so I'm using second one, and we are using API from that one. As this is taking a lot of time, I'll just provide you the report card. Okay, so you can see all this analysis is getting done here. Also, we will probably get limited in between, I mean before finishing the report. Because I'm finishing the video, I'll send you the report in a separate image.